Hello everyone. I'm here on a beautiful, partially sunny day at McGregor Point Provincial Park in Port Elgin, Ontario. This is the inaugural camping for what I'm going to call the Ogilite Model 2, because this is the second trailer I've built. Anyway, campsites are really nice here for the winter. They've mostly are letting out drive-through or pull-throughs. That makes it handy. All the driveways into the camps are plowed, and they plow at the camp too. So I'm just getting a fire going. I brought our old barbecue, heating up a pot of, I think it's chunky soup. So I've got the stabilizers down, and the trunk box came in really handy. What you'll see in here is what I like to call a poor man's jackery. A little car booster. It's powering the lights inside the trailer, and it'll also power the fan. I had the barbecue in here. I've got some, let's see, necessary groceries. Miss Vicky. And moving inside, make this door open. Let's see, I'll put on another light. Okay, you can see I've made up a bed in here. These are old cushions we've had for camping for years, and they're fold-up mattresses. So I figured a way to just cut them, and then they fit across the trailer quite nicely. I have a porta potty in there, just in case I have to go during the night. I'm not going to run over to the big washroom unless I really have to. Anyway, you can see how I did the wiring. Just a simple couple of pieces of Phylon glued over the wires with VHB tape, and in this case up on the roof it was easier to just use butyl tape. So it's pretty bare bones. I've got two lights, LED lights, and the fan. Sorry for the shaking. And over here you can see the shore power. I've got my phone charger plugged in there right now. I was hoping to watch some videos tonight. There's only one bar of service here, so I don't think I'll be able to stream anything. I have a book to read though. As you can see over here, I haven't put any windows on this side, since I am going to sell this trailer after I've used it quite a bit and made sure everything's going to be good for the long haul on it. I thought whoever buys it will probably have their own preferences of where they would like the windows put. And eventually I may cut another door in it. I don't know. I'm debating about that. That's the other thing. If you're going to sell it, you cut a door in it, and the guy says, I'd rather have that door somewhere else. Well, a little late for that. So I'm just going to sell it as sort of an unfinished project, or I guess what did one people call it? I can't remember. Anyway, a do-it-yourselfer for people that like to build cupboards and kitchens and things like that. Although this one wasn't ever planned to have a kitchen outside, I just figure a trailer like this is going to appeal to tent campers that just want to get off the ground, and they're used to bringing their whole kitchen with them anyway. But you could attach a rear kitchen to this wall quite easily. The trailer hitch for my own car, which is a Honda HR-V, didn't come in yet, so I towed the trailer up here with my wife's Honda Odyssey, which does a nice job, but I want to tow it with my car to prove that a small car can tow this quite easily. Well, it looks like my soup's probably done. Time to throw some more wood on the fire and hunker down a bit. Okay, thanks for watching.